Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Realtek audio driver on your Windows. So first thing, you can go to the Windows search, type here the device manager and now open it. Now here you just need to scroll down and you will see the sound, video and game controller. So you just need to expand it. Now here you will see the Realtek audio or the HD high definition audio driver. So if you find one of these, so you just need to make a right click on it, click on the properties. Here you can simply go to its driver and now here you will see its driver date. So in my PC there is the 2018. So to update it, to download this, open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the Realtek. So once you type it, just hit the enter and now the first website will shows the Realtek. So make sure you open the first website, which is the Realtek website. Now here you just need to click on the three-line option you are seeing on the left hand side top. So once you click on that, here you just need to click on the download option, expand it. Now here you will see the computer peripheral ICS. So once you click on that, now the new page was open and now in this page, so once this page was open, scroll down here, you will see the product list. So now here click on the choose subcategory. Now here you have to just select the PC audio codecs. So once you select that, scroll down and here you just need to click on the choose. Now here you can select the high definition audio codecs. So once you select that, just scroll down here, you will see the first, which is the ALC888. So this is the latest. Click on the software option you are seeing. So once this page was open, scroll down and now in this page you have to just search for the 64-bit Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, and it is also for the Windows 11. You can also download it for Windows 11. So once you find this one, just click on the download option. Now it will start downloading. So now here you have to just click on the I accept, then click on the download the file. So now here in this page, you just need to enter the captcha you are seeing here. Then just click on the submit. Then this file will start downloading. So I can just click on the download unverified files. So now it will start downloading. Once this was completely downloaded, you have to just simply open it. Then simply click on the next. Then simply install this. And guys, after you install it, now the HD and the Realtek audio driver was installed into your PC. So you just need to open up your device manager, right click on your Realtek driver, go to its properties, go to the driver, and here in the driver date you will see it's updated. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Realtek audio driver on your PC. And if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.